It's time for another gardening update.
Well, look guys, hey, the yellow peppers, something's growing. Look at that, something is growing in there. Cool, huh? Loving it. Yellow peppers, cayenne peppers, jalapenos, serranos, I believe. Oh yes, oh yes. And look, this is the cucumber plant. Look like I'm gonna start having cucumbers. I gotta put the thing on the homemade, what do you call it? Oops, I forgot. Trellis. I gotta fix my trellis. So cucumbers, yes. Look like some things need some water. Oh, the pepper plant is getting bigger. I just realized that. Look at the pepper plant. Okay, pepper plant, cool. Look at the deal, cool. This is the tarragon. Look like the sweet savory needs some water. My poor mint plant dried up. I don't know what happened to it, but it dried up. The parsley and the cilantro, lots of things need redoing. Okay, look, I'm growing an arrow plant. It finally came up. It's beautiful red. That's a, right, that green thing is a Cosmo, but this is one of those arrow looking plant things. I got the name, I forgot to write it down. But I'll share that with you guys. Look like I got some pothos growing out of that plant with the jade plant. Pothos, hello pothos. Hello snail, hello frogs, rabbits, birds. And the cardinals, tomatoes, they still tomatoing. Let's see. Bigger plant. Anything going on? The bigger tomatoes don't look too happy, but we'll see. We'll see that. And I need to separate a bunch of these basil plants. That's the serrano pepper plants. Still happy. Okay, little short update what's going on the balcony garden. Be back next time. Happy gardening. Check out the other participants. Bye for now.
I'll see you on the next one. Gardening update.